did I get here? It all started with an upside down bus delivery. Yeah, you heard me right. The bus was upside down whenever it was delivered. Yeah, no, seriously. Watch and find out.
Mostly like over there, like close out of town. Like just stand on the side of the road and like block traffic. Was this trouble? Very cool. Okay, I hope this wrap is going to hit you. Look, change it how we put it. You gotta get it so that it's a grip on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Okay, a little bit. Okay, keep going. Hold on. Good idea. Okay, so we can grab something. Okay, we're gonna get off and then you can move forward. That way the trailer doesn't hit from the butt. Okay, Jaden, grab someplace on the side that's not trailer related. And then you gotta grab it. Okay. That trailer's gonna jump up at us, so stay away from it. Okay, go ahead, let it flow. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Woo! Clear! It worked! Look at that butt, it's so big! It's got a big old butt. He's being really careful. This is one of those really weird beam bridges. As long as you don't fall off the edge, you're fine. Oh, and I made it, yay! Chickens! No ducks. I didn't get a duck today. And then there were two. Holy cow. Those heat tubes fought me the most. They didn't look connected anywhere, but they were just freaking in the way. Could not save the shift rod. Found out it was completely bent to heck up front, so that didn't work. I'll just have to buy one, no biggie. And broke my sport beam, but nothing I can't fix. I'm whooped, guys. I'm gonna go have some pie. This is a 1979 Volkswagen bus. It has the sunroof, which I'm really excited for, and took me forever to get open. There it is up top. Because this bus was delivered upside down. It had some floor issues, so I've got a new floor to put in it, and a bunch of really bad dings in the doors. But there's a lot of little things that were bad that I needed, like new doors, because they were really bad in some areas. So I got my hands on a 1971 bus, the one you saw earlier in the series, and I decided it was time to restore this bus. Still lots to do on this. A lot of the metalwork's almost done on it, but this isn't going to be your average bus. We're deleting some lights, moving them around. We're going to do some other work on it. It's going to be my modern take on it, so that probably won't happen until later this year. But all the spare parts for this were sitting in the other tent, and the other tent had the whole bus in it that was really shot. There was no hope for that thing. The entire underside, when I finally took the rear swing arm off, the entire backside collapsed. I don't have video of it. It happened so fast. It was so rusted that there was nothing holding on. But this bus is going to be completed later, but I got to working on this guy so much that I haven't had time for this guy, and you guys really like this one, so I'm going to keep working on it. And then as I get closer to the end of this, I'm going to jump back to this, because I'd really like to be able to put this on the road. And this is going to have a modern engine. I don't know if it'll be a Subi swap or maybe a Chevy Ecotec. I want something modern in this, because if I can get this built extra strong with a good motor in it, and then be able to tow things like that or Huey to car shows, then I'm going to have 2 cars at the car show. Why not? So yeah, I haven't talked much about Huey. Huey's my daily driver for over 4 years now. I've got about 10,000 miles on him just since I've owned him. And he's got about 152,000 miles total on him right now. Sat in the backyard of a garage for many, many years, up until I think 2018, when a guy happened to know bought it, and he had it for a few years, and then he sold it to a guy I don't know, and I only met these people after the fact. And then that guy ended up selling it to me, and I restored it. I'll put up a before and after picture up here. But that's my daily driver. That's what got me into VWs and all the repairs. So he's my daily driver now. But I wanted something hard, so I decided to give myself a really hard project. You know, Käfer van. This is my son's 1964 Corvair. He bought it, and I got it all running and driving. Right now it's down for a master cylinder rebuild, which I should have done in the next day or so. But this thing is a beauty. Needs some paint touch-ups, but that is not hard. That is not a hard thing to do for me. Give it a good scrubbing, find out where the paint's crackled, and fix that. He'll be driving that everywhere. But yeah, front half of a 67, back half of a 71 bus, and a whole bunch of metalwork.
Hey, and there we have it. How I got here. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe, ding the bell, and have yourself a great week. See you soon.